Hi, I'm Paul Drew from Production Expert. Today I'm going to be looking at the Slate FG-116 Blue Ranger compressors. Now these have just come out and they complement the FG-116 Black, which is already in the VMR rack. So let's have a quick listen to them. We're going to have a listen first of all to the track without any compression on it, and I'm going to be using this vocal here as my reference.
We really could have had it all. You didn't want to play my game. We really could have had it all. Why'd you have to let me fall? Why'd you have to? Why'd you have to?
Okay, so these compressors come out of the box in probably the setting that I would use most, which is slowest attack, fastest release. So let's just set up the modern one first and we'll try it out. Here we go.
We really could have had it all. You didn't want to play my game. We really could have had it all.
Now that's just a 4-to-1 setting, slowest attack, fastest release. Now this has got 2 circuits in it as well, so let's try circuit 2. And let's just loop this section here.
We really could have had it all.
Let's just slam it a bit harder.
We really could have had it all.
Let's try circuit 2.
We really could have had it all. We really could have had it all. We really could have had it all.
Okay, let's try the Bones House setting. Let's turn up 12-to-1, take the attack up, bring the release just back a bit.
We really could have had it all. We really could have had it all.
Bring the mix back
We
a bit.
really could have had it all.
And bypass it.
We really could have had it all.
So it's really bringing out the weight of the vocal. Okay, let's try the Vintage Edition now.
We really could have had it all.
Let's put it on the same setting.
We really could have had it all. We really could have had it all.
And that's circuit 1.
We really could have had it all.
And circuit 2.
We really could have had it all.
Okay, so while I was trying out these compressors, I also decided to try out the AirEQ Air on this. Now, I think this thing's a bit special as well, so let's just hear that.
We really could have had it all.
I'm just going to put it up a touch here.
You didn't want to play my game. We really could have had it all.
Now that's added a lovely sheen on the top, so let's hear that in the track.
We really could have had it all. You didn't want to play my game.
Let's put it in bypass.
We really could have had it all.
Okay, let's try it on a drum bus now. Now what I've got here, I've got everything in bypass, but let's just hear the kit that I've got. And it's quite a vintage kit, and I just want to make it punch a little bit more. So let's bring in the modern. And bypass it. Take the mix back a bit more. And let's try the vintage one. Speed the attack up. So I think that does a really nice job on the drum bus there. Okay, let's try it on the Rhodes, and let's try the vintage one first. And circuit 2. Circuit 1. Let's try the modern. So it does sound different. You can hear it definitely sounds different. And I've also got the air in here as well. So let's take that out. Bring that in. And hear that in the track. Now, I really like this FG-116 Blue Range compressor. There are quite a few 1176 emulation plugins on the market at the moment, but if you're looking for your first one, or possibly if you're looking for a slightly different flavour, I wouldn't hesitate at this. It's a really great plugin. Now, also, I'd just like to mention the Air EQ that is now available for the mix bus as well. I think that is absolutely fantastic and works a treat on vocals, and it really gives you that modern sound. So I'm Paul from Production Expert. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.